Hello, it's Gary from Remap Revive, here with another customer who works at the same place as several other of our customers. Here doing a 2013 TSi Leon FR, which is the 1.8 TFSI. We're doing a stage 1 remap and an engine carbon clean. The remap's going to take it from 177 brake horsepower to 220 and from 250 to 380 Newton meters of torque. So it's going to make it a lot more lively, a lot more fun to drive. The carbon clean is removing carbon build-up from the valves, pistons, EGR valve, turbo and cat. These TSi engines, like all direct injection petrol engines, do suffer with carbon build-up worse than older systems. So it's important to keep them clean and running efficiently to get the best out of them and prevent any expensive future problems.